Hey guys, I didn't really have a video idea for Fire Alarm Day, and it's still not the greatest video idea, but it'll get the job done. So here we go. Oh yeah. My floor, it's clean. Oh my god. It's probably the most surprising thing I could have uploaded today. Yep, that's it. I didn't have a video for Fire Alarm Day, but I did clean my room. And considering it's been so dirty on all my videos recently, it might bring you guys some relief that it's actually clean. Yep. That's it.